everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are in La Paz, Bolivia with Boris Rueda, the greatest jeweler of Latin world. He is having great jewelry videos on his YouTube channel. Artifice, Joyas, almost 40,000 subscribers. Currently it's increasing. Hola Boris.
Muchas gracias.
¿Cómo estás?
Muchísimas gracias.
Hablo español. Quiero ver cómo tú trabajas.
Vamos.
Vamos, let's go to his workshop. We are in his workshop. That's a great view of La Paz. You can see on the top. It's great atmosphere. We are almost 4,000 meter height. It's one of the highest capitals of the world, you know. So we are going to Boris' workshop to make some diamond cuts. Boris is making great videos on YouTube. You can find his videos on Artifice Joyas YouTube channel. I put below the link below. You can find plenty of videos. He's making everything by hand. Tu trabaja con mano. Todo.
Todo mal.
No maquinaria, no tecnología.
Todos.
Tecnología aquí.
Bueno.
Okay. So I want to show a little bit Boris about our diamond tools and later I will check if he knows very good or not. Yo quiero trabajar un modelo popular.
Ya, muy bien.
PCD tool
Ya.
combinado con diamantes.
Muy bien.
Trabajo, primo, dopo.
Ya, claro.
Sí, gracias. Okay. I cover my ring with PCD tool. Now I will combine it with diamond tool and get the final finishing. I can here add some more PCD cuts because the ring will be nice. Boris is using these tools in his channel, so you can visit Artifice Joyas on YouTube. See different jewelry techniques, different models which is popular in Latin America. Okay, PCD part finish. Now I finished my PCD. Now I will change to diamond tool. Boris, ¿cómo te gusta nuestro herramientas, maquinaria? ¿Todo bien?
Bueno, la verdad es muy bueno. Al principio, que estas herramientas te dan un brillo tipo espejo cuando los utilizas. A mí me ha servido y esta herramienta ya la tengo casi 2 años y está en perfectas condiciones. No le pasa nada y la utilizo no solamente haciendo anillos con diamantes, también lo utilizo utilizando otras herramientas con las fresas de 2.35. Es muy adaptable y lo más fascinante de de micromotor es el cable que tiene acá, es más flexible. Al ser flexible te da más posibilidad de mover, tienes más control con la mano. Eso es lo que más me ha fascinado del micromotor.
Gracias por la información. I will put English subtitles here also if you don't know Spanish. Boris is using our products continuously, so he has many ideas about how it works. Now I will start diamond tool. I'm using a maximum speed.
Yeah.
In this model, you just move the tool and you get half shiny, half non-shiny finishing. And I will complete it with some diamond cut on the borders. This is crystal cut. And the other side. We have more than 300 different diamond tools, so you can choose and combine the tools you want. Boris is using mostly shiny tools because the market in Bolivia and Latin America is using these shiny tools, but you have also options for background finishing, non-shiny finishing. Here that's done. We can complete it with a background finishing. And here I do the same model on my second ring. You just move slightly, so soft, and also the sides. I'm using on ring, but you can work bangles, pendants, even some big chains, some kind of chains. So hand cutting is not limited with some products. It's finished. I can complete sides with more diamond cut. It's quick process. Almost finished. I cover with diamond tools.
Yeah.
Now this is, you can also combine with different tools. And here is the other ring. You can also work on bracelets, on pendants, every kind of product. Yeah. We are in La Paz, Bolivia with Boris Rueda, the owner, founder of Artifice Joyas on YouTube. I put the link here.
Para entrar ahí.
He is using our micromotor continuously. He has plans to use our faceting machine, our mechanical machines, even our other high-tech machines in the near future. So I hope you are enjoying our diamond cut with Boris. Todo bien?
Excelente, todo bien.
Excelente, todo excelente. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. I will be traveling all around the world to make videos with different professionals around the world. If you think I should come to your country, definitely write in the comments. I need many ideas to travel where the jewelry of which country is nice. Gracias. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. We will be going all around Bolivia with Boris. We will go to Uyuni Desert. We will go to Tiwanaku, ancient places. So we will a little bit put off these views, and at the end of the video I hope you like, because I'm sure you wanna know more about Bolivia. Bolivia, mi amor.
Bolivia.
Bolivia.
Hacia la vida. ¿Por qué no cantar por los caminos?
We are going to the workshop of Boris Rueda. Hola a todos. Soon he's gonna introduce us his jewelry, what kind of goods he are making, what kind of techniques he are using in his workshop, in his jewelry production. Let's go.
¿Por qué no cantar por los caminos? ¿Por qué no bailar por la calzada? Aquí y allá te abrazo con aquel ser que nos dio su amor. Gozar, gozar, qué hermosa realidad, mañana por siempre.